If the LHDC option is missing in your Bluetooth device setting on the POCO F7, if you don't have LHDC over here, there might be a pretty simple reason why it is not present. And the answer is the app that you may have installed for your Bluetooth device. So in this case, I have this app and I can enable the high definition sound that allows me to play play music and media, etc. By using LHDC options. So essentially you want to make sure that LHDC is enabled if you have the app installed on your phone. So go through settings or options that you have in the app of your earbuds or Bluetooth device in general, and make sure that there is any option that either changes the audio codec to something else, or if there is any sound effects section which can have an impact on the quality. For example, if there is the selection of priority between the connection and sound quality, then of course you want to choose the sound quality in that case. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.